Hello, I am Mark Barker, President of Interlake Maritime Services and the Lake Michigan car ferry that operates the SS Badger. I would like to take this opportunity to speak to you for a moment about the SS Badger. As you may have heard, due to the unforeseen mechanical failure that prohibits us from moving the ramp at the dock in Ludington, we have made the difficult decision to suspend service for the remainder of the 2023 season. No one is more disappointed than all of us at the Lake Michigan car ferry to end our 70th season so unexpectedly. This was a very difficult but unavoidable decision given the nature and the impact of this significant failure, rendering our ramp system inoperable in the Badger's home port. I will give a brief explanation of what happened. If you have traveled on the Badger, you may have noticed that the ramp is a massive structure and that there are towers on either side of the ramp with large weights, referred to as counterweights, hanging from them. As the Badger was built as a railroad car ferry, the ramp was designed and built to handle the weight of loaded rail cars, and it weighs approximately 250 tons. In order to raise and lower the ramp to accommodate the change in water levels and the change in vessel draft to allow the Badger to pull away from the dock, a system of counterweights, which are those large weights that suspend from the towers on either side of the ramp, are used. It was one of those towers that unexpectedly failed and toppled into the water on July 21st. The exact cause of this failure is still unknown at the time, but it was not a result of any crew action or collision. In fact, the quick actions of the crew helped to mitigate any further issues. The quick actions of the Badger team made sure that the area was clear, and thankfully no one was injured and the Badger did not sustain any damage. We're also fortunate that the Badger was moored at the dock at the time and the heavy ramp was down and resting on the stern of the vessel when the tower failed. The tower, counterweight, and concrete associated with the structure weighs several hundred tons and needs to be methodically cut apart underwater and removed before a new system can be installed. Contractors have estimated that it will take several months to remove the debris and install a new system, and it is that timeline that drove the difficult decision to suspend service for the remainder of the season. First, to our incredible team in Ludington who operate the Badger. Our people is what makes the Badger what it is, and they have been working nonstop since the incidents happened, looking at every possible solution to get the boat back underway this season. I cannot thank them enough. I know this shutdown and unfortunate end of the season affects them in a meaningful way, and we are truly appreciative of their efforts. To our port communities, I understand the role we play and understand the impact that this has. We also appreciate the support and partnership we have with you. We will be back next year. We are so sorry for this disruption and that this is causing to the cities of Manitowoc and Ludington. To our passengers and customers, we have the best customers in the world. The outreach and everyone's concern about the Badger is being felt, and we thank you. We know this is not the news people wanted to hear. All of us at the Badger truly apologize for the inconvenience and disruptions in your travel plans. I want to assure everyone that we are fully committed and we are already underway making the necessary repairs to the ramping systems so the Badger can come back better and stronger in 2024. The repairs are extensive and complicated and will take months to complete, but we are already making good progress removing the structure that fell and prepping the site for the new long-term fix. We truly appreciate all the support, patience, and understanding from our loyal passengers and our port communities who we know rely on us for travel and tourism. Rest assured, our great team in Ludington is working hard alongside our Great Lake partners and will be busy between now and spring getting the Badger ready for the next season. Our crews can't wait to get back doing what we do best, and that's providing a one-of-a-kind journey across Lake Michigan. We appreciate everyone's interest in what's happening and how we will repair it. We do have security fencing up, and we're asking to respect the security fencing for the safety of themselves and for those who are working to make the repairs. We are truly sorry for this disruption, and we will keep you updated as we progress in our repairs. Thank you again for your understanding and patience, and we look forward to seeing you in 2024.